episode, we're going to be installing some headers on this 99 Tahoe with a 5.7 engine. Kinda gonna do some, long story short, I'm just gonna bolt on the headers and possibly just straight pipe it pretty much. But yeah, 99 Tahoe 2-door, super clean. We are back. We are done. I installed the headers on this side and also this side. I just bent the dipstick a little down curved. I put a spacer for a little bracket. So see how it sounds.